It's December 11th. I'm out here on Lake SEED. I got the name wrong of this kayak league. This is a local kayak league that I fish here. It's called Georgia Kayak Fishing League, GAKFL. They have a tournament here. They have a tournament coming up Saturday, as well as an online tournament. The tournament Saturday, we can pick from the 5 lakes in the area. You can only use that one lake one time during the series of tournament. I picked Burton the first time. Had a really good practice. I did catch 3 good ones, but couldn't fill out a limit. So I'm here on Lake SEED. This is going to be my next lake. I'm practicing. Water temperature is cold here. It's looking like 48. Lake SEED is a giant spillway, really, to Lake Burton. Lake SEED is the best lake in the area to kayak fish. There's a couple campgrounds in the area. There's one really cute one right on the lake. Anybody looking to have a nice summer vacation in the northeast Georgia mountains, Lake SEED is a really good place. There's no boat traffic here. Very few houses on the lake. In fact, most of the lake is in no wake zone. So it's really, they have giant largemouth in here, big spots. They do have chain pickerel. They've got great perch, pan fishing in here, walleye. This is a great fishery. I love fishing on this lake. It's got a lot of grass. So I'm just going to try kind of pre-fishing, hoping to get one up for the online tournament. You know, it's a little bit windy today, so that's probably going to dictate some things. But and it is cold. Air temperature is 42. Water temperature is looking like probably 49, 48 and a half right now. So hopefully I'll be checking back with you, and thank you. I just caught a huge spot. Oh my God, this is an absolute tank. Oh my God. Holy shit. This thing is huge. Oh my God. Giant. Oh my God, it's gonna go 20 inches. 20 inches for sure. Oh shit. Oh my God, it's huge. Well, it's tournament day. I'm out here on Lake SEED for the Georgia Kayak Fishing League here. Hoping to get a good bag. I was on some really big fish here. Problem is trying to get 5. So hopefully I'll be checking back with you. Well, we had a local club tournament today, my Georgia Kayak Fishing League out here. Quick tournament recap, I was on Lake SEED. I pre-fished it a little bit. I have a lot,